Most apps just don't get it. If you've been looking for a way to learn Nepali, you probably realized that most of the big apps don't have this language. And if you manage to find an app that teaches Nepali, most of the time it looks like a boring textbook. Today, I'm showing you the best app to learn Nepali. And I'll explain why it's the best app to get you speaking right from day one. The app I'm talking about is called Ling. You can get 7 days free with the app right now if you click the link in the description below. We've added timestamps for you here as well, so it's easier for you to quickly look through all of our key features. Now, let's start with the most critical part of learning a new language, the audio. Most apps use text-to-speech or TTS robots because it's cheaper for them, but that's bad for you because if you learn from a robot, you end up sounding like one. But that's what sets Ling apart from all the other apps out there. Ling works closely with native speakers to create the courses and to record the audio for you. This is really good for all languages, but most especially tonal ones, because you're hearing real people speak in their real accents. It's the best way to get your ear tuned to the natural rhythm of the language from day one without having to go out and speak with a native speaker face to face. But hearing it is one thing and using it in context is a completely different thing. Ling doesn't just throw random words at you. They built their lessons around context. Understanding what, when, where, and why is the key part to learning a new language. They design each lesson to match the real-world situation you need with the right amount of gamification to lead your learning journey. The sentences you learn first are the ones that you'll get to use right away, like ordering food, asking for directions, and calling for help in case of an emergency. But let's be honest, even if the lessons are going great, when it comes to learning any new skill, staying motivated is the hardest part of sticking to it. That's why I really like Ling's banana points and streak features. These features help you to learn your language daily and progress better day by day. Every lesson you complete earns you banana points. And these aren't just for you to see, they push you up the global leaderboard so you can compete with other learners. Ling also has a daily streak counter, but they give you just the right amount of push every day to get you to open the app at least once a day, even if it's just a 5-minute break from doom scrolling on social media. Now, with all these features, will they actually teach you how to speak? Well, that's what Ling's Chatbot aims to do. It's an interactive conversation partner, and it simulates real life. First, you listen to the native speaker, you give your answer, and then the app gives you instant feedback. This helps you put yourself in the situation before you actually talk to somebody, so you're more confident when the time comes when you need to use the language. It is the perfect way to practice conversation without the anxiety of talking to a stranger before you're ready. It also makes sure you aren't just learning how to speak the language. Ling also includes writing lessons, allowing you to trace characters directly on your screen. Now that I've went through all of Ling's key features, I want to let you know that this app was built with cultural and linguistic respect. Your language matters, and with Ling, we can keep your language alive. Thank you so much for watching, and please give Ling a try if you want to master the accent and speak confidently. The premium version is paid, but if you want to give it a go before committing, you can click the link in the description below for a 7-day free trial. We hope you have a great language learning journey.